Okay, 6222 Hazeltine. This is the front room, so cute, love it. So it's all this and this is where the bed would go. This is gonna be the kitchen. There's my purse and everything, but adorable little kitchenette area. Then you go in here, stove, little sink, little cabinets, and then through this hallway, all in here is the closet. Adorable. There's a door, but that can move. Little closets here, little linen area, so cute. Okay, back this way. This is the hi Katie, welcome to your new house. Bathroom, cute little pedestal sink. Here's a little window. Then this little area here is like a little vanity area. Could put a mirror right up here. This is a little closet, and then loving the full bath with a shower. Little lights, adorable. Lights, love it. $750 for this place, plus utilities. I can totally do it. I stinking love it. Where is the manager so I can fill out the application? Adorable.